Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable gestures for your earbuds LG TONE Free. You have to start by open LG TONE Free application and you need to add your earbuds to the application because without it you cannot disable your gestures. Right here at the first line we have touch function, and to disable gestures you need to tap at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background. And now I can try to use this gesture, but it doesn't work. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.